Kawhi, number 5, Kawhi. And pass number 1 again, number 1, people number 1, and smile. Okay, pass number 4, number 4. Okay, Chad, number 4, Chad. Okay, number 3. Number 3, Sayaw, number 3, Sayaw. Okay, Sayaw. And pass number 1, number 1. Okay, number 5, people number 5, and shoot number 5. Okay, napuso, naiwan niyo po yung balloon niyo, okay? At sino ang nakaya sa ginagawa na pumusyon? Okay, second line or the second group for that. And pass number 2, number 2, number 2, balik number 1, pass number 5, number 5, Chad, number 4, pass number 3, number 3, smile, number 3, smile. Okay, pass number 1, number 1, balik number 4, number 4, and jump. Okay, pass number 1, number 1, people. And pass number 2, Sayaw, number 2, Sayaw. Okay, number 1, give it back to number 4, and shoot number 4. Okay, at nauna po sila. So we've got the sign. Okay, 1 point each group. Okay, so we have time. Okay, so tuloy pa rin tayo. Okay, para malaman natin kung kanino pong 3 points ang, or kanino, okay, point ang mauna. Number 2, Chad, number 2, Chad. Pass number 1 again, number 1. Okay, people number 1, and dribble, okay? And pass number 5, number 5. Okay, Chad, number 5. Okay, and Kawhi, number 5, Kawhi. Pass number 4, dribble number 4, balik number 2. Number 2, smile. Okay, and pass number 1 again, number 1, dribble, balik number 5. And pass it back to number 3, Sayaw, number 3, Sayaw. And shoot. Okay, at nauna po yung second line. Okay, we've got number 5 and dribble. And pass number 1, Kawhi, number 1, and smile. Okay, smile. Okay, ako ganyan po kayo mag-smile sa akin. And pass number 3, and pass number 4, number 4, jump number 4, jump, balik number 4, number 5, Sayaw. Number 5, pass number 1, dribble, balik number 4, and give it back to number 2, shoot number 2. Okay, we've got the sign. Another point again, we're going to get the first game. So, tayo na po. Okay, so isa na lang. Okay, 1 more point for a tie-breaker point. Now, let's start continuing. Okay, number 1, people number 1, pass number 4. Balik number 3, people number 3, and Kawhi, number 3, Kawhi. Pass number 1, shot number 1, and people. Okay, pass number 4. Balik number 5, Sayaw, number 5, Sayaw. Okay, pass number 1, okay, people number 1, and tumbling. Okay, gugulo lang, bago mag-tumbling po kayo. And pass number 2, Kawhi, number 2, balik number 1 ulit. And pass number 4, people, pass number 3, shoot, go! Okay, at sino agad. Okay, we got this side, the second group as our winners, okay? And congratulations to the team. Okay, for those that are winners, sige siya. Okay, we're going to give you something special. Okay, sino po yung nanalo pag ikuha po ng prize? Okay, dito sa harap.